Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate guide to serving a warm waffle top with ice cream. If you love the perfect mix of hot and cold desserts, you're going to enjoy this. Let's get started. Imagine pulling a thick, golden waffle from the iron. It's steaming hot, smelling of butter and toasted grain. Now, picture placing a generous, cold scoop of vanilla bean ice cream right in the center. As the cream begins to melt, it pulls into the deep squares of the waffle, creating a rich sauce. This combination of a warm waffle top with ice cream is one of the most underrated treats in the kitchen. We often think of waffles as strictly for breakfast, but they're actually the perfect canvas for dessert. This dish works because it hits every sensory note. You get the crunch of the toasted exterior, the soft pillowy inside, and the velvety smoothness of the chilled ice cream. It feels indulgent yet familiar. Whether you're hosting a weekend brunch or looking for a late-night snack, this pairing never fails to impress. Because it's so versatile, you can customize it for any season or mood. Mastering the art of the perfect golden waffle. Secret to a great dessert starts with the base. If the waffle is limp or bland, even the most expensive ice cream won't save the dish. You want a waffle that can stand up to the weight and moisture of a melting scoop. Achieving that golden, crispy exterior is vital. Most people struggle with waffles that turn soft after just a minute. To avoid this, make sure your waffle iron is fully preheated before you add the batter. High heat helps create a steam burst that puffs up the inside while searing the outside. A classic recipe using buttermilk is often the go-to for many home cooks. The acidity in buttermilk reacts with baking soda to create a light, airy texture. In addition, adding a bit of cornstarch to your dry ingredients can boost the crunch factor. If you want a more robust flavor, try browning your butter before mixing it into the wet ingredients. This adds a nutty, toasted note that pairs beautifully with creamy toppings. Choosing your favorite waffle style. The type of waffle you choose will change your entire eating experience. Belgian waffles are the gold standard for ice cream lovers. They have deep pockets and a high profile, which makes them perfect for catching every drop of melted cream. Because they're thicker, they stay warm longer and don't get crushed under the toppings. If you use a yeast-based Belgian batter, you'll get a slightly tangy flavor that cuts through the sweetness of the sugar. On the other hand, traditional American waffles are thinner and often crispier. These are great if you prefer a higher ratio of crunch to soft dough. Since they have smaller squares, the ice cream tends to sit on top rather than sinking in. Some people even like to use waffle cookies or pretzels for a more delicate dessert. However, for a true meal, stick to the thicker styles. Your choice of batter also matters. For example, a chocolate-infused batter creates a brownie-like base that feels extra decadent. Pro tips for a non-soggy base. That's it for part 1. We've covered how to create the perfect waffle base and prevent it from getting soggy. In part 2, we'll explore the best ice cream flavors and topping combinations to take your dessert to the next level. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.